Hello, my name is Lakeisha Clark and I am a Digital Connectors leader. And today I will be telling you a little about One Economy and Digital Connector. Digital Connectors, which was launched in 2003, is not just here in America. It's a global effort, like for example, African kids receive it via a text message. And they're also teaching American individuals how to use their computer inside their homes and businesses. One Economy provides access to technology, training, support, and critical online content that empowers millions of people around the world. The main focus of Digital Connectors in One Economy is to make leaders and teach unknowledge individuals. Here in Kansas City, there is a Digital Connectors class that has been helping people for over 18 years with things like financing, literacy, digital media, and art, and etc. So, that's all for today, and I hope to see you soon.
Before Arts Tech, we were Pan Educational Institute, and we were founded in 1973. In 2007, we changed our name to Arts Tech to more closely align with what we do and who we are. I have been an executive director at Arts Tech since 1998.
So, what does this mean for you? Did you know that Arts Tech and One Economy have partnered together to have the first Digital Connectors class here in Kansas City? Currently, we're teaching a diverse group of a dozen students in digital literacy, and they're contributing back to their community by helping out other locations. And currently, we have a diverse group of a dozen students that are learning about digital literacy and contributing back to the community by helping people doing things as simple as starting up their own email account or something as modern as uploading videos on YouTube. Our classes are actually almost done this year, but if you're interested in enrolling in our next class, please contact Arts Tech and speak with our director, Dave Sullivan, or myself, Alex Villasenor. Please visit our website at www.artstech-kc.org. Thanks for watching.